Testing of Hyundai HGN25 air circuit breakers. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 15 seconds. And finally, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips instantly. The same process is repeated for the second air circuit breaker. It is now clear that both air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.